Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this video about the trades taken this week ending January 25th. So let's get started. This is the first trade on the 22nd, EUR-AUD, okay, and it's a small one, but it's showing here, but it went way further than that. So 21st was Monday, which is usually is very slow, and then setups were made, but then the trades happen. Actually, trades happen on the next day, the 22nd. So this is one of them. Then you can have this Aussie yen short, right? I took this one and this one, 22nd January. This is the one on the 22nd, and another one is pound Aussie on the 22nd, and this went up also. So Euro Aussie and pound Aussie went up, Aussie yen went down, and I took them. The reason is this chart. You see this Aussie index 40-minute chart, and I have this Elliott wave count chart here. That's 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is how it goes. So it is 1 2, and then we're supposed to go down for wave 3. So I was expecting from 61% that we will go down, and because of that, Aussie will get weaker, and this is what happen. Euro Aussie will go up, pound Aussie will go up, and Aussie yen goes down, and that's exactly what I did in these trades. I just showed you, right? Aussie yen down, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie up. So that was the reason for these trades. Okay. Next is on the 22nd. Also, again, this was the first entry. This is the second entry. Look at it yourself. Okay, let me show you again. It's so easy if you just follow my system, this Magic Ibis system. See, this is the first entry. It went up, it came down. This is the second entry. It came down a little bit here, right? I closed this one and I opened this one based on this indicator all the way down, and this bounced from here, and that's how I got the second trade right there. And then it went up, and then it came down, and then, by the way, I got the third one also. I don't have the chart for that. So this is on the 22nd. Now the next day, pound yen, beautiful entry. This was a very perfect entry. This was a good entry, but I just I was busy on other pairs. So the next day, 23rd, I took this one. And the reason is that the pound was getting strong, and I'll show you the pound chart as well. And then on the 23rd also, pound CAD, this was a trade and this was a trade. Okay, and it's for 160 pip. Pound CAD is a monster. Pound CAD, pound Newsy move big. Pound Aussie, okay, big movers. Now on the 24th again. See, it was here long and then come down here. I took this one, but then got knocked out, break even, and then I took this one again, went up 80 pip on the 24th, Euro Aussie. Again, pound Aussie. See, I told you that I had another one. This is the one, and it went up 100 pip on the 24th. This is my. These are on the side. You see that my order and my SL move to break even plus. These are the trades. Okay, and then you have on the 25th, today on Friday, pound USD. Okay, this is right here. I did a pound USD in two different accounts. I'm going to show it to you. This is the one on the 25th. I opened the trade on the 24 actually. This is, and then close on 25th. Another one you're going to see is that pound USD. This was the one I just showed you, right? Right, see, this is the one. It went up, and then I closed this one. It went up, it came down again today, 25th. This was 24th, this was 25th. It went up again for 125 pip. But there was another trade all the way in the bottom on the 22nd that I opened, and I kept it alive until Friday. Was from other account. This is the one. No, this is the one again. This is pound yen on the 25th, right? This is the entry, beautiful entry, and this is all because of the pound strength. I'm going to show you the pound index chart, and look, and this is the one that entry is right here on 22nd. the pound USD, and I held this all the way, and then I took this one and this one from other account, but this one is keep going for 270 pip, and then finally closed on Friday. Why is that? It has to be a reason that I kept this one alive. Let me show you the chart. They are probably the next one. See, this is the chart I made, the pound index monthly chart on the 4th January, that this thing is going to be going up. It's like a harmonic pattern. It's possible. Let's see. This is what happened usually. This is what I call samdanic pattern. This is my pattern, not harmonic pattern. This is a samdanic pattern. I trade from 23% line of the same fib. It's X, A, B, C. C is the one. So from C to D, it's tons of money that you can make. Okay, it's a treasure right there. So you can cash out if you know what you're doing. So I said, okay, we bouncing from here, nice hammer right on at the 23% line. So it's gonna go up, right? So what happened so far to this chart? See, a couple of hundred pip, easy, went up straight line to the target, this yellow line. So doing that, pound start getting strong, and that was this week. Right after like Monday, Tuesday, we had some big news. Last Friday, actually, there was a pound unemployment rate went down, and that is a big plus for the currency. So pound, and I even tweeted and put it on my Telegram channel that this is going to happen. Pound is going to get strong, and all pound pairs is going to be going up. And because of the fact that I start taking those. Another reason for pound USD is this pound USD weekly chart I made when we were here, that we're gonna bounce and we're gonna go up there. Okay, and this is how, again, look at this one too. This is also bouncing from 23% line with the divergence, right? So I said, okay, we're gonna be bouncing and we're gonna go up there. What happened to this chart so far? And I took all those trades. This is what happened. Okay, right from there, from like 25, 26, 25, let's say 25.50, we are at almost 32, 700 pip up. Now you understand that why I would just taking long, and I will do it next week as well, because this is powerful. This is very, very powerful candle, and this momentum is gaining again and again, week after week. And it's just going, and the target, I think the target is the upper TL, and this number here, 36.55. The next candle will open here, another candle will open here. So a couple of weeks we're gonna be getting the 36.55, hopefully. So this is the biggest reason that I took the pound yen long, pound CAD long, and pound USD long, pound Aussie long, because the pound index was getting strong, supposed to get strong, this one, right? And taking all the pound pairs to the upside. Similarly, I showed you the Aussie index chart, that if that is dropping, even though it's on just a 40-minute chart, it is as good as like a regular 4-hour chart. Okay, so I was hoping that. So and the current chart for this, we came down here all the way and then bounced a little bit. Okay, let me show you if I have the live chart for this Aussie index, right? Okay, so we're gonna go there and take a look. That's what Aussie index has done, and it will drop more. 40-minute here. See, this is what the chart was. This always, when I reopen, this moves. I don't know why. All right. So my first target was this here, but actually, if it is wave 3, then we're gonna go all the way down. Okay, and those Aussie pairs, Euro-Aussie, Pound Aussie, they're gonna be flying more. So this is like small 1 and 2 right there. Small head and shoulder pattern is being made here, right? And next week it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. Aussie is gonna get weaker. Aussie yen will drop. Aussie Euro-Aussie, Pound Aussie will go up. Aussie USD, Aussie CAD will drop also. Wherever Aussie is on the left hand side will drop, and wherever is on the right hand side they will go up. Those pairs. So this is how it is. And you saw how many pippage I have, so, and it's all because of one strategy, okay, nothing else. If you pay attention, I'm taking the same setup, same scenario. Look at that, Look at that. This one I took, this one I took. Same, look, same. Just rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. So it's a little bit of learning. If you can learn this and master this, this is it. You can just live for the rest of your life as long as the forex is out there. And even if it doesn't, you can trade this way in any commodity, any stock, any bond market, mutual fund. This is strategy as long as any instrument is on MT4, my indicator, which draw these candles and all these indicator and this mumbo jumbo and EA. I even give you an EA which beeps when the setup is made. Is or about to made, very close to be finished, or trigger bar just before the trigger bar, it will start beeping. Okay, and then you can easily take the trade. You don't have to stick to the computer. Right. So this is how my system, Magic Average system, and my analysis. I have weekly chart, monthly chart made of for all the pairs and the index, individual index. Including like yen index, USD index. And then what happened is that, like for example, pound index, I was expecting that it will get strong, right? Pound index is gonna bounce, pound is gonna get strong. So all the pairs, like 5-6 pound pairs, they will all be going to the upside. And I just showed you that I took pound Aussie long, pound USD, pound CAD, and pound yen. Everything is long, long, long. Why? Because index was bouncing and it went up, crazy powerful candle. Okay, but this is the area now, and if you break that, 65.68 is the key number. And that's what I said in the last webinar, that we are going for 65.68. Right now we close the market at 65.58, 10 pips shy for what I suggested or predicted. So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, just want to learn, be a part of it, then go to my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and join and start learning over the weekend. Today is Friday, and then you have Saturday, Sunday. Get the system, fix up your charts, make the new charts according to my strategy, and set up. Basically, you're setting up the whole, like 40-minute chart, 20-minute charts, and then understanding this. Watch a few videos and just get ready. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a very wonderful and pleasant weekend.